Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see 3D view in Google Maps. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. As you can see, currently we are right now hovering over the city of Prague. Now, if I would like to see the full 3D structures, it won't be possible through the Google Maps application, but Google does have another application that does it fluently well. The only way you can reach for 3D view fully right here is to grab your person and then go to Street View, where you can see just simply the street, and this is going to be your 3D VR headset. But to view it all the buildings normally, going to exit Google Maps, and then from here going to go to Google Earth. And Google Earth is another service that is done by Google themselves, but from here it is simply done where you can just open the application, and then from here you can start exploring, where you can have new project, for example. Click on new. Once you load into this page, all you have to do is click on explore Earth, and then from here, as you can see, everything is set to fully being in 3D, and there's a button right here that can help you toggle between 2D and 3D, but mostly for now you can just set it like this. And now if you're going to search for anything, the same city that we were in, Prague for example, and then we go to it, then it's going to drag us all the way back, and then from here it's going to go back all the way to the city. And now once you view in right here fully 3D, as you can see, all the buildings are loading slowly, and then from here you're going to click on 3D, and there you go. Now you can view whatever you want fully in 3-dimensional layers. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.